Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to talk about a question that a lot of people who are starting out online ask, and this is, how long does it take to start making money online? How long does it take to get results on the internet? Okay, as I mentioned before, this is a question a lot of people ask, and last week, during the weekend, I was chatting with a friend, we went to drink some coffee, and he asked me, because he knows I am in the online industry, he wants to also venture in an online business, and he asked me, well man, I know that you are into this, how long does it take to start getting results, to start making money online? And my answer was very straightforward to him, and it was that there is not a specific time. Okay, there is not a right answer, because for some people it might take more time, more days, more weeks, months, and for others it can take less time. So it really depends on the person. I told him, let's imagine three scenarios, okay? The first scenario is from a person who wants to start online, but who wants to start from scratch. Okay, this person is someone who doesn't have a background in marketing, in sales, but wants to start his or her online journey, and wants to do it with YouTube videos, reading articles, reading blogs. That's the way that person wants to start. And I told him, in that first scenario, that person is going to take a little bit more time than other people, okay, because that person is going with the flow, is watching videos on YouTube, starting out by himself or herself, but not with a clear direction, not with a clear end goal in mind. It's just wandering around, curious about making money online, but since it doesn't have a guidance, doesn't have a clear path, it's going to take more time for that person to see results. Okay, then scenario number two, I told him, could be a person who has a background in marketing, a background in sales, and for that person might be easier to get results at the beginning, okay, to make money online, or to get that first sale online that is so important and so remarkable, because that person has some type of experience, knows how to approach people, knows how to close them, okay? And with that experience, that person might be able to start seeing results, okay? And finally, scenario number three is the scenario of a person who, has some experience, not much, but decides to invest in a mentor, in someone that can guide his journey. And in that case, that person might be someone who is starting from scratch, or someone who has a little bit more experience. But since that person has a guidance from someone who is already getting results, the time frame of that person from being, without results to getting results is going to be way faster. Okay, that's the difference. Those are three scenarios. In this example, the first person might be seeing results between 8 months to 1 year. The other person who has some experience in marketing and sales might get results faster, maybe between 3 months to 6 months. And the person who has a mentor, who has a guidance, who's following a clear path and has some experience as well, might be able to get results even faster, less than 3 months. So it really depends on the person. It really depends on the guidance that person is taking. Okay, so it's relative. Okay, it's relative to the person, and it's also very important not just to have the guidance, but how willing that person is to take action, continue learning, implementing, testing. Remember, marketing and getting results is a lot about testing, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, and in that way, really knowing what to do next. Okay, so for example, in my own case, I had a little bit of experience in marketing. I studied that in university, but then I have to shift that knowledge, which was very practical, into the digital marketing sector. And for me at the beginning, you know, for my first sale, it took me almost 5 months to get my first sale, okay? And you know, I bought a course from Tai Lopez, but it was not easy at the beginning because you have to learn all those all that knowledge, then apply it, and then not giving up, because a lot of people might want results overnight. And there is a misconception between making money online. A lot of people think that it's a get rich quick thing, and it's nothing like that. There is a lot of work behind, and for me it took me almost 5 months of testing a lot of things, of putting content out, of trying things that were inside that course, until I got that sale. And believe me, getting that first sale, that breakthrough, was an amazing feeling. You know, when you achieve an important goal for you. For me in this case was getting that first sale. After that I've been getting more sales. I've been also getting clients for my own services. So it is a journey, it is something that is not easy, but of course if you are willing to put in the work, to continue learning, to take massive imperfect action until you see results, you are going to get it sooner or later. Just to end this video, you have to have in mind that there is not a specific time frame for you to start making money online, for you to start getting results on the internet. It is a matter of what are you doing, the action that you are taking, the guidance that you are receiving. Maybe you are following a course, a mentor, watching videos online. It all depends in many different factors, but I am assure you that if you put in the time, learn a lot, put into practice what you're learning, sooner or later, but I assure you, if you follow someone who has results, maybe a course, a mentor, start applying like a machine, you know, day in and day out. No matter if you are not seeing results immediately, no matter what happens, you put in the work, sooner or later you are going to get that breakthrough, that first sale, and then it will skyrocket from there. Of course, there will be days that you make 4 sales, there will be days that you get 0 sales, but it fluctuates, it's normal, it is what it is, this is the game. What you don't have to do is to give up, okay? That's forbidden. If you want to start your online journey, if you want to start your own business, you know, anything that you want to start, if you really want to succeed, if you are committed, you cannot quit. That's everything I have for you guys today. Hope you find this video valuable. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and ask me any questions that you have in the comments. I would love to answer them in upcoming videos. Also, if you want to start online, learn about email marketing, funnels, content creation, I want to invite you to a 4-day free training I set up on my website with my mentor Sebastian Gomez that is going to help you start online. And if you need more help, you know, having a mentor that guides you through the process to get results quicker, no matter if you are starting out or if you want to scale your online business, I highly recommend you to also check out in the link in the description. You will find a one-to-one link to work with me and my partner Sebastian Gomez. So the invitation is there, and with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making this happen, and I'll see you in the next one.